Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing an easy dinner recipe, baked tilapia with garlic. Let's get started. We will start with fish marination. Take 7 to 8 tilapia fillets, pat dry the fillets with a napkin. Take 1/4 cup of oil in a bowl. Mince 7 to 8 garlics added into the bowl. Add half tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed chili, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, half tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Add salt as per your taste. Mix all of the spices. Check the salt at this point. Now we will add the fish. Add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can add freshly squeezed lemon juice or you can just add the lemon juice that we get at the stores. Now mix it and leave it for 2 to 3 hours. Afterwards, place each of the fish fillet on a baking tray and bake it for 375 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 350 Fahrenheit and bake until all of the water has dried up. The delicious, flavorful fish recipe is ready to be served for your dinner, for your meals. This is a very easy recipe to follow. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit the bell icon so that you can receive our new videos as soon as we upload them. Thank you and goodbye.